to make small groups based off of your most recent data. What you're going to do is pull up your most recent assessment. We're looking at Module 3, Week 2, and you're going to focus in on analyzing the actual questions. When we look at your last previous assessment, we saw that question 1 through 6 focused on comprehension, specifically question 2 and question 6 focus on vocabulary. So if scholars miss question 2 and 6, they may need to be in your vocabulary rotation. If scholars miss question 1, 3, 4, and 5, they should be in your comprehension group. If scholars miss question 7 and 8, they need assistance with high frequency words. And if they miss 9, 10, and 11, they need to be in the phonics group. If scholars miss 12 and 13, they need to focus specifically on writing. So let's take a look at the actual assessment. You can do it two different ways. You can look at scholars and just go all the way across, or you can filter the groups by changing it to look at how many scholars, which one. I'm going to just go across. When I look at Quintavious Anderson, I see he's missed question 1, 3, 4, 5, which most of those questions 1, 3, 4, and 5 focus on comprehension. So right now he's struggling with point of view and text organization. As I continue to scroll over, he did a really great job on question 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Therefore, he's mastered the foundational skills. He did struggle a little bit in question 11, 12, and 13. So I will either put him in my comprehension and writing group based off of his data. You could do the same thing for all the remaining scholars. If you look at Kingston, he also missed question 1 and 3, but he did get question 2, 4, 5. So he does very well with comprehension. In his foundational, he did miss number 6, but he got majority of his foundational skills also correct. But right now he's struggling on the writing part. So Kingston will be in my writing group. And you're going to look at this data so you can know and determine who will be in what group. What I've asked the teachers to do is to post their small group categories in the classroom by putting the scholar's name under which rotation and write the skill. So this is an example of Miss Henderson, but just like we had Kingston, he will be in my writing group. My comprehension group will be that Quintavious guy. And then you have to finish analyzing your data to see who will be in what group. But based off your assessment, you did have phonics, you did have vocabulary, and you had comprehension and writing. So those will all be your specific categories, but all you have to do is just add your name. If you need any help, please let me know.